Hi, this is Vino Pari with the Swanson real estate team. Welcome to one of my newest listing at 46 Diamond Drive, Livermore. This single family home is located in one of the most sorted Tempo neighborhood. The 4-bed, 2-bath, 1438 square foot home is listed for 1,199,000. Open concept living, dining and kitchen. Tile flooring throughout the house, recessed lighting, and coffered ceiling give this home much more character. The fourth bedroom wall removed to make it an open floor plan. Wood cabinetry kitchen, tile black splash and countertop, and bar stool seating makes it a great place for hosting. The lot sits on a 7,500 square foot and has a large backyard for hosting parties and gatherings. If you'd like to know more about this property or curious to make an offer or tour this property and get more information, feel free to reach out to me at vinopari.com at 408 893 1866. Have a great day.